Every time you hold in a sneeze, you are forcing your body to contain a pressure equivalent to a Category 1 hurricane. A sneeze builds up to 100 miles per hour of airflow. And when you pinch your nose and clamp your mouth shut, that pressure has nowhere to go. So it forces backward through your sinuses, your ears, and into your chest. This can rupture blood vessels in your eyes, tear the lining of your throat, and damage your inner ear. In 2018, a man in the UK held in a sneeze so hard he tore a hole in the back of his throat and spent a week in the hospital unable to swallow or speak.